What's going on, family? So as you see, I'm out here this morning, got my light on, and I've been working on my awning. So I got it installed. This one right here is actually 8 feet. They come different sizes, so if you do have an enclosed trailer, you can actually get one different size. And if you have a SUV or truck, they got the top racks across the top, like to carry luggage. You can also get one for that, where you can pull it on from the side or from the back, and you can advertise your products and have an and have an awning too. So it's just a few things you can do with this. Like I say, I just got it established up here, and it was an easy setup. These are on Amazon. They are called car awnings, so very affordable. But I think this is a very good tool to build your independence. And I got the situation I'm trying to set up for this weekend, so I want to get everything done before it starts raining. HogOn.